Alright, bro. I want to show you what the F-16 looks like. You're gonna crack your pants. So this is what I'm flying around, dude, while you're flying your little Beechcraft. This thing's a badass little plane. Look at that thing, dude. Alright, dude, I'm gonna load this thing up, dude, so you can see it. I want you to see it. Once you see it, dude, on this video, you're gonna want to download it. Alright, here we go. Alright, dude, check out this little joystick you gave me, dude. This thing is badass. Alright, go up here. Here's the inside of the cockpit of the F-16. Okay, I'm going to take my little controller here. Here's the inside. Here's the plane sitting on the runway. Dude, can you hear those sound effects? I can't turn it up that loud because I'll wake up Ryan, but check this out, dude. Alright, dude, sitting on the tarmac here. I'm going to light up those engines. See the engines on the back? Let's go ahead and fire those up. Watch this, dude. Give it a little gas. Alright, here we go, dude. Take the brake off. Already going 300 miles per hour, dude. Not even at the end of the runway. Okay, give it a little... Look at that smoke, dude, that comes out of that thing, dude. Is that badass or what? I'll show you from the other side. How badass is that, bro? I just had to show you this, dude, because I know you'll never see it. Already at 20,000 feet, dude. Alright, now check this out. I'll even it out. Okay, watch this, dude. I'm going to turn on the afterburner so you can see that. Alright, here goes the afterburners. Watch the engine. Whoops. Do it again. Watch the engine, dude, on that plane. You see that fire up? Look at that. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm going to drop some missiles. Watch this. See those bombs drop out of the plane, dude? Fucking badass, dude, I'm telling ya. Alright, dude, watch this. Watch how fast I get this thing going. Dude, almost 1,000 miles per hour, dude. There we go. Look at that. Oh, shit. Dude, I'm such a loser, dude. Watch when you crash. Wow. Fucking plane explodes almost. I know you'd love that shit, dude. Fucking awesome. Alright, dude, get your ass online so we can play.